Hello and welcome back to channel Tech Manoj. In this topic of today, we'll just discuss how we can get the free SSD based hosting with unlimited bandwidth storage and free SSL in 2026. Exactly, you are just going to get the lifetime hosting for your website without any cost from this website. That is premium hosting for you. Okay, so first of all, to get the free hosting, as I have already told you, that you need the website which will provide you the free hosting plan. Okay, so this is the website which will provide you the free hosting. Let me reveal the website because I have already made a video on this website topic. As before, you are just getting the free domain from this website which I have already shown, and this is approved as well. Okay, so this is the domain that I have got from this website, usmortgage.xyz, and I'm just going to install the WordPress in this same domain just by using the same website hosting. Okay, so first of all, to get the free domain and hosting for your website, you can find the premium WordPress hosting for everyone in the homepage section of this website. Just click on the get started and you will be redirected to the next shopping cart page of this website, where you can see for this free plan with the Pro, Business and Greek plan of this website. While you can find that on the WordPress hosting, the Pro plan is completely free. Just click on the order now, and once you just click on the order now, you are able to choose a domain name. Okay, now you have to just use our existing domain name to update the name server, because I have already got the domain name. Okay, let me provide my domain name over here. Okay, so after that, we'll just go for the use. After I just use my existing domain name, I'll just go for the checkout option. After checkout, you can see for the pricing there is no any pricing, and also the account is associated over here because I have already created an account for this website. Okay, so make sure that you have provided the information, and after that you have to just create an account on this website. After, you'll just get the approval for this hosting and domain name. Okay, as I've already got the free domain from this website using the same account, I'm continue with the same hosting plan on the same account. Okay, just scroll down and go for the complete order. Once you just do this, then you will be directed to the order confirmation page, where you can see for your order number, which is very unique ID. That is helpful when your order is not activated. You can just go for the open ticket or just click on the support and create an ticket for the website. Okay, after that, please go for the continue to client area, and once you just click on the continue to client area, then you can find that 2 services and 1 domain is active. Okay, so that domain is already active, as I have already told you that this domain is already active over here. And here on the services, you can find that 2 services is active over here. Just click on the 2 services and you can find that this hosting plan is still left to activate it, but 2 free trial of RDP services is active over here. Okay, I'm going to make a separate video regarding this free trial of RDP services, but this video is only focused on hosting plan. So for that, you have to just wait for at least 5 to 12 hours to get this approval. Okay, basically it will be approved within 5 minutes. Okay, I have waited some minute, and let me reload this page, and after I just reload this page, then you can find that our hosting plan is active. Okay, just click on the active option. Now this is the panel where you can just go for the by clicking on the right side menu of the login to the cPanel and go redirect to the cPanel of this website. Okay, let me click on this. So after you just click on the cPanel, you will be directed to this page, or you will be just directly log into the cPanel of the website. Okay, so if you want to get the username and password, you will just receive a mail from the same account with all the detail of username and password. Okay, let me go for the login, and you will be logging for the cPanel of this website. You can see in the screen I had been successfully logged into the website, and you can see that this is my same domain that is associated with my hosting account. Okay, so now you can scroll down and look for all the features that you'll just get on this website. You'll just get the PHP version, SSL certificate, and all the softcoolers app installer, including React, Pythons, and many more from this website. Okay, you can just click on the softcoolers app installer to install the WordPress on your website. Let me just go for the install, and once you just do this, then it will directly install the WordPress for you. Okay, let me hold over here, and you can just go for the install. Okay, so in this way you can just use this hosting plan to install the WordPress hosting, and you just get the free SSD hosting by using this website with the same domain name. Okay, scroll down and you can look for the bandwidth. There is unlimited bandwidth, or you'll just get this 30 subdomain with the 2 add-on domains. Also you just get the 30 email account, and there is auto responsor is unlimited, forward is unlimited, and many other information you can see in the screen, which is completely free. Okay, so as I found that this is a premium WordPress hosting, you can use this hosting for 1 year without any problem. So this website will provide you all the feature, and just apply to the website and get all this feature as I've just shown in the screen. Okay, this is how you can get the free hosting plan for your website. If you got any error, any confusion, you can comment in the comment section below. I'll be again back with you bringing more content like this. Till then, have a good day. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.